Hey lovelies, it's been a while I posted, and then today I've got something very special for you. Just stick with me through this video and you're gonna get that special thing. It's a gift from me to you. Alright, for those people who are lactose intolerant, do not worry, I've got you covered. I've got something for you. We're going to be making a plant-based milk. Yes, you heard me right, plant-based milk. But before we delve into this, hello and welcome to Benedict's table. We're making oat milk today and we'll just be needing 3 ingredients. Are dates, water, and oats. Just 3 ingredients. So this is a very simple and straightforward video, but it is well detailed, trust me when I say so. We start by washing the dates and then deseeding them. What I mean by deseeding them is taking out the seed in this date. Our date is going to be used as a sweetener for this milk. You can decide to use honey, you can decide to use sugar, but we're opting for a more healthy sweetener or a more healthy option. That is why we're going for dates. And if you notice very well, these dates seem to be so hard, like it's hard while cutting through to take out the seed. It was stressing the hell out of me. But you can actually skip this stress or forgo this stress by soaking the dates in water. You can soak it overnight or for a few hours just to soften it up. So it will be so easy for you to cut through and the seed. We're almost done with the seeding, and then we'll be moving next to our important steps. This is the oatmeal. The oat I'll be using and water. Remember I told you we just need 3 ingredients for this oat milk. 3 ingredients for this recipe: the water, the oats, and our dates. If you're just coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, yes, and don't forget to let me know where you are watching from by leaving your location in the comment section. Okay, let's go in depth with our oat milk making process. We pour in our oats into a blender, add your dates, and go in with your water. So once these 3 things have gone into the blender, you blend this mix, blend until smooth, and then after blending, you begin to sieve this. So this is a stress-free process. It doesn't take much time and you get the best of the best. The best of the best. So we're going to be sieving this here at this point, and the sieving process is actually a very simple one. It doesn't take much time. You just ensure that everything you're using for this production is well sterilized, from the cheesecloths down to the bowl, and your hands. Make sure they are properly washed, cleaned before sieving this. Now see how thick and juicy that milk is. And please, if you're going to be sieving this, I would advise you use a bigger bowl. I made use of a very small bowl here and I almost spilled all of its contents. This is the oat milk. The oat milk is ready and it looks so delicious already. If you've watched to this point, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave nice comments, and whatever it is you're finding difficult, just drop me a comment and I'll attend to you as soon as possible. And you can also do well by trying out this recipe. Yes, and let me know how it went. I would appreciate that. Oat milk is ready to be taken. You can take it with ice, and you can also choose to take it without ice. This oat milk can be consumed the same way you consume your normal milk, your animal-based milk. This oat milk can be consumed the same way. You can use it, add it to your tea. You can use it for baking. You can consume it whole like this. And whatever it is you want to use it for, you can. You can use it for your porridge. Whatever it is you use your regular milk for, this is no exception. This tastes so good and so yummy. Will I lie to you? Of course no. Alright, so we've come to the end of this video. Until my next video, stay safe and out of trouble. Bye.